How to fix your browsing activity has been paused on Ticketmaster. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, click on Wi-Fi and Network, which is the first option. After you click on Wi-Fi and Network, you will find this kind of screen. Turn on airplane mode for 5 seconds. After you've done that, after 5 seconds, turn your airplane mode off. After that, click on VPN in here. After you click on VPN, select the VPN you are currently using. After you click on the VPN you are currently using, in here, turn it off. If you have other VPNs installed, simply turn it off as well. And this is how to fix your browsing activity has been paused on Ticketmaster. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.